What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add music on your Instagram post with multiple photos. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to go to your Instagram. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your profile. Then you have to click on this plus bar icon like here. You have to click on this to post. You have to select the photos that you want to post. You have to click on this first, that you want to choose multiple photos. After choosing that, you have to choose your photos like this. I'm going to do this. So after choosing your photo, you have to click on next. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps I'm going to show you, so that you can add music on your Instagram post with multiple photos. After doing so, you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you can see here is a music option like here. If you click on this music option, you can see you can add the music from here. So what if you can't find this music icon like here? So if you can't find this music option in here, you have to click on next for music option. There is another option like here. You can see here is another music option, add music. So you can, if you can't find the first option, first page, you can find it here like this, add music. You have to click on add music, and now you can add any song. You can search for songs, and otherwise you can add the songs from here, and you can pretty much search any song from here and add it to your post. So after finding the song, just like I'm going to add this song to my story, you have to, after choosing the song, you have to click on this song and click on this blue tick icon like here, top right corner. After doing so, you have to write a caption and you are ready to go. You have to click on share. So if you share this post like this, I'm going to share this to show you that it actually works. Please guys, leave a like on this video if this work, and please comment that if this work for you. So guys, that you can see the post is shared with the multiple photos with music. So this is how you can add music with multiple photos in your Instagram post. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.